Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the Conexant smart audio device is not working properly or needs to be updated on your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing you want to do is open up the Start menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager listed right above Control Panel. Go ahead and left click on that. You want to expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controller section, so double click on it. And there should be something that says Conexant Smart Audio. You want to go ahead and right click on it and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. And then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Go ahead and select whichever one is most applicable. If there's only one driver, then just go with the one option. Otherwise, you just would select a more specific manufacturer one. If there were two listed here, I would go with that one over a generic driver. But again, if you only have one option here, just go with it and select Next, select Yes, and select Close. So you will need to restart your computer for the change to take effect. I'm going to select No for right now, but again, you will want to go ahead and restart your computer in your case. Check for updates as well through Windows Update, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.